Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial of PrestaShop Employee Advanced Permission. In this tutorial, I will show you how the super admin can give permission of products, orders and customers to the employees and manage the store easily. Let's see how this extension works, and for that I am taking you to the admin's back office. After the installation of the module, two new tabs, profile permission and employee permission, are added under the team tab of advanced parameter section, from where super admin can manage permission profile wise and employee wise. Under profile permission, super admin can select the profile and give products, orders and customers permission to the employees of that profile. Under employee permission, super admin can select an employee to whom he wants to assign the permission for specific products, orders and customers. Now let's discuss module configuration. If enabled, then super admin can give specific product permission to the specific profile or employee. Employee of the selected profile can view, edit or delete the products if the super admin has given the permission. Suppose Jack Smith is an employee of the profile demo user. Jack Smith can view, edit or delete the products as permitted by the super admin. If product permission setting is disabled, then a note will be displayed under the product permission tab as shown here. Now let's discuss order settings. If this field is enabled, then super admin can give specific order permission to the specific profile or employee. Employee of the selected profile can view the orders as permitted by super admin. If this field is enabled, then an employee will have full permission of the orders that contain the products added by him. If this field is enabled, then the employee will have full permission of the orders that are placed by the customers added by him. If enabled, then an email notification is sent to an employee if the orders for the products added by him are placed. If this field is enabled, then an email notification is sent to an employee if the customers added by him places an order. If enabled, Then an email notification is sent to the super admin when orders are placed for the products or by the customers added by employees. If this field is disabled, then super admin won't be able to give order permission to the employees of a particular profile, and a note under the orders permission tab will be displayed as shown here. Now let's discuss customer settings. If this field is enabled, then super admin can give specific customer permission to the employees of a particular profile or a specific employee. Employee of a selected profile can view, edit, or delete the customers as permitted by super admin. If this field is disabled, then the super admin won't be able to give specific customer permission to the employees of a particular profile or employee, and a note under the customers permission tab will be displayed as shown here. Similarly, super admin can give specific product, order, and customers permission to an employee. An employee can have access to the products, orders, and customers that are permitted by super admin.